Now that you know about different types of operators, like arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and logical operators, it's important that we know the order of the operations that take place. So, first one that we talked about was arithmetic operators, and these are the operators that occur first. Um, so anything when we do, for example, 3 plus 4, that type of operation is going to take place before we do comparison operations. So if we did 3 plus 4, is that equal to 7? We get that the result is true. So the first operation it does is it does the arithmetic operation, it does the addition, and then it checks the comparison operator to see if those are equivalent. And then the thing that finally gets done is logical operators following that. So in an example of a logical operator, we might say if 3 plus 4 equals 7 and 3 plus 4 is not equal to 8, right? So both of these statements are true, and so the result would be true. If we asked it for something that was not true, we could say, and 3 plus 4 is not equal to 7. And this would evaluate down to false, because the first one gets simplified to true, and the second one gets simplified down to false, so we get true and false, which we showed was false before. So not only do we have to consider arithmetic operations come first, and then comparison operators second, and logical operators third, but logical operators actually have a precedence as well. So we said that we have not and or as logical operators. This is the order that they actually occur. We do the not operation first, we do the and operation second, and then we do the or operations last. So if we actually combine those up together, we can say, while 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, and not 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. So what happens here is the arithmetic operations get done first, so we end up with this expression, 7 not equal to 7. So that gets simplified to that, and then the comparison operators happen next, so we get true and not. In this case, 7 is not equal to 7 is going to be false, right? So we get that simplifies down to that. And then not false is the operation that gets done first here, so we get true and true, right? Which simplifies down to just true. Now you can do, if we have and true or false, we can do more complex equations like this, and in this case the and gets operated on first, followed by the or, and so this gets simplified down to true or false, right?